In this video, we will learn how to use LUT in Sony Vegas Pro. But before this, we need to know what is LUT. Actually, LUT is a piece of code which is essentially the modifier between two images, the original image and the displayed image based on the mathematical formula. To make your color correction process easier, or you may say color grading, to make this process easier and faster and professional, I create 7 cinematic LUTs for you. You will get all of this in the resources section of this course. After downloading LUTs from the resources, you will get this zip file. Simply extract this. And then you will get these 7 files. To add LUTs in your video clip, actually process is pretty simple. Go to video effects and search for LUT. And here we see a filter which is called LUT filter. Simply drag and drop it in your video footage. And interpolation, from this drop down menu choose best and hit on browse. And from this desktop I select the first LUT, cinematic LUT 1, and hit on open. And here we see the change. But overall clip seems to be very colorful. To minimize this strength, simply use this strength slider. And it looks pretty amazing. This is the before one and this is the after. Awesome, right? Let's try with another one. This time I choose cinematic LUT 3. And here it is. Now our overall clip seems to me a little bit warmer. Let's minimize this strength. Now it looks like a Hollywood film, haha. Let's try with cinematic LUT 7. Freaking awesome, right? You don't need to waste hours of time for color correction. You can do this easily by using LUTs. Hope this LUT feature in Vegas Pro will save you time a lot. Thank you so much for watching.